Hey there, road warrior. Before you speed off like a scene from your favorite action movie, let's slow down for a quick pit stop about something crucial: your tires. They're the unsung heroes of your ride, and keeping them in tip-top shape is easier than you think. Neglecting tire pressure? It's like skipping breakfast. Sure, you can do it, but it's going to cost you more fuel, less control, and potentially a blowout on the highway. Not exactly the plot twist you want. So, how often should you check your tire pressure? The golden rule is once a month, or whenever your car feels just a little off. Trust your instincts, but trust the gauge more. Alright, let's break it down, step by step. Step 1. Get yourself a tire pressure gauge. They're inexpensive and could save you big bucks. Think of it as a wise investment, like buying that last-minute umbrella when it's about to rain. Step 2. Always check the pressure when your tires are cold. Not emotionally, physically. Ideally, before you've driven more than a couple of miles. Step 3. Find the recommended pressure for your vehicle. It's usually printed on a sticker inside your driver's side door or in that manual you skimmed once. Can't find it? A quick online search will do the trick. Different vehicles have different needs. A sedan, an SUV, and a truck all demand different pressures, so double check to get it just right. When it's time to inflate, don't overdo it. Too much air and your ride gets bouncy and loses grip. Too little and you're burning fuel and wearing out your tires faster. Aim for that perfect balance, like Goldilocks finding the perfect porridge. Pro tip: a digital inflator makes this process even easier. Set it, start it, and let it do its thing. And there you have it. Check it, pump it, drive smooth. Not only will your tires thank you, but your wallet and your passengers will too. Master tire pressure today, one skill at a time. Like, share, or send this to someone who could use a smoother ride. Safe travels.